Hello, dear customer. This is Ivan from QLQ Company. Today, I would like to share with you how we can make zinc YG slider. Actually, for this kind of slider, we have two types. The first one is the normal type, just like this one in my hand. The other one is the vivid type. Look at this picture. The first one is the normal one. In this position, there has a hole and the spring can insert. The next one is the vivid one. And here, without any hole. But here has the riveting positions, and this is the before riveting and this is after riveting. So as you can see, and after riveting the spring can be fixed. And now let's see how we can make them. As you can see, this is the making processes, and there are totally 8 processes. Now let me explain it to you one by one. The first one is die casting. We use the die casting machine to make the zinc, to make the slider body and puller. And also we can use different tonnage die casting machine to make them. And after die casting, we need to separate. We need to separate the frame and the products. And after separating, we need to the polishing process. And we also think the polishing process is very important among these all the processes, because sometimes it can determine the quality of the products. And also in polishing process, we will add some polishing stones inside to make it more better. And we will use different shape. And after polishing, we need to separate the products and the polishing stones. And after separating, we need to drying. We need to remove the water from the products. And after drying, we can go into the assembling process. As you can see, actually, whether it is normal type and rivet type, in the 6th step, we just need to assembly the slider body and puller. So the next one, we go into the assembly process again. But in this process, we need to assembling the spring and the slider body. So actually, it is also the main difference between the normal type and the vivid type, because in here we use the totally different assembly machine to fixing the spring. And for the normal type, we will use our disc slider and spring assembly machine to fixing the spring. But for the vivid type, we will use another machine to fixing the spring. So this is the main difference in the 7th process. After assembling, we go into the last step, the plating step, because normally for this kind of slider, we normally do the plating color. I mean, we always do the light gold, the black nickel, or other metal color, not the colorful color like red, yellow, or some blue color. So in the last step, we just do the plating process, not the painting process. And this is the whole production processes of how we can make the zinc YG slider, whether it is normal type or vivid type. And after we look these processes, let's see which raw material we need. This is the whole raw material we need. The first one is zinc for die casting process. The next one is the polishing stones and different shapes for polishing. And also, we also need to need some slider body or puller for the assembly. And also, we need some chemicals for plating. So this is the whole raw materials for zinc YG slider making process. And after watching all of this, we also have the videos.
This is our QLQ 15 top die casting machine. Yes, this is our QLQ product and the water frame separating machine. Look at now, we put the slider inside. This is slider. It's an Italian model, 4 capacity. Okay, with frame.
In this video, we'll show you the slider barrel plating workshop that we have a customer set up in the factory. Now you can see this is our name plate of our brand, and the workers are doing the plating procedure.
So my friend, if you really want to make your own zinc YG slider making workshop, and if you want to know more details of our machines, you can contact us and we can send our catalog to you, and in our catalog you can see. Thank you.